today we're going to do some examples with the Fisher effect, and just keep in mind that sometimes notations are different by teacher. Enjoy. Okay, so here we have question 1. It says you deposit $1,000 in the bank for 1 year. And in both of these, it gives you 2 scenarios, right? And it asks you, in which case does the real value of your deposit grow the most? So if you look down here, we have this equation that you're going to use, and you pretty much just plug in the values. And note that nominal interest rate takes into account inflation. That's just something to remember. Okay, so let's do case 1. So we're just going to plug in these values. So the nominal interest rate is 10% equals real interest rate. Well, if you look here, we don't have the real interest rate, so that'll just be X. And then we have the inflation rate of plus 0%. So in this case, X, which is the real interest rate, is 10%. So now moving on to case 2, you do the same thing and you plug in these values instead. So the nominal interest rate is 20% equals X, which is the real interest rate that we're solving for, plus 10% of an inflation rate. So what you do is just solve for X. So you subtract 10%, and you get that the inflation rate, or the real interest rate, is now 10%. So in which case does the real value of your deposit grow the most? Well, it's the same in both, as you can see here. I hope this helps, and if you need any more help, you can find us in the Econ Tutoring Center.